ZR2. All right, basically what we're saying is, if we start out with 91 grams of ZR2 CO35, we're going to end up, if we start out with 91 grams of this, we're going to end up making this. This is the product that we want. If you have a total of 91 grams of this, we're going to end up making 259.0 grams of ZR1MnO4, 5. So basically what we're saying is, we're going to convert this into this. And that's the maximum amount that you can make, 259. If you had unlimited amount of this, and you had 91.1 grams of this, the maximum amount of this that you can make is 259 grams of ZR1MnO4, 5. All right, but now what we're going to do is, we're actually going to see if we had unlimited of this, how much of this could we make if we had 44.4 grams of this? Sorry, if we had unlimited of this, how much of this could we make if we had 44.4 grams of this? All right, so now we're going to actually do this again, and we're going to see which one is limiting us. All right, so I'm going to write it up here so that you can see a little bit better. 44.4 grams of MnO4. All right. So we got 44.4 grams of MnO4. So every time you have something here, what do we put here on this corner?
Same thing.
The same thing every single time. In the units, just the units of it. So grams of MnO4. All right, and then now we have to actually find out how much MnO4 weighs. So use your periodic table. What does Mn weigh? 54.938. Good job, Daniel. All right, and then oxygen. How much does oxygen weigh? 15.999. And how many oxygens do we have in MnO4? 4, right? So it's times 4. Times 1. All right, and then so 15.999 times 4 is 63.996. And then this one's just 54.938. All right, so we're going to add that together. So 54.938 plus 63.996 equals what? 54.938 plus 63.996 is like 118 something.
118.934.
934. Good job, Cristobal. 118.934. All right, so basically that's what our number is going to be. 118.934 grams of MnO4. All right. All right, so basically what we're saying is that 1 mole of MnO4, 1 mole of MnO4 is equal to 118 grams of MnO4. MnO4. 1 mole of MnO4 is equal to 118 grams of MnO4. So it's basically saying that this many molecules of MnO4 weighs exactly 118.934 grams of MnO4. All right, so what? All right, Cesar, what do we put here in this corner?
The same thing.
The same thing. What is that? What is that same thing?
Moles of MnO4.
Yes, moles of MnO4. But how many moles of MnO4?
10.
10. Yeah. We have the equation up here. 10 moles of MnO4, and then per what? Adriana. So for every 10 moles of this, how many moles of this do you make?